Hi, my dear students, how are you? Today we will take a new lesson, Estimate Liquid Volume. Topic number 14, Lesson 4. The objective of our lesson today is, I can use standard units to estimate liquid volumes. Capacity, liquid volume. What is the meaning of the capacity? Capacity is always, it is always a vocab that we describe liquid volume. So the meaning of capacity is the amount of container can hold measured in liquid units. 2 metric units of capacity are, so we're using 2 metric units, okay? Milliliters and liters. So the milliliter is about 20 drops from eyedropper, like this one, look, like this one. So the milliliter represents 20 drops of this. Look, this is one. This is drop number 1. So 20 drops of this equals 1 milliliter. Okay? This water bottle holds about 1 liter. So look at this water bottle that I have it here. This holds almost 1 liter. So look, there is a difference between this water bottles, and there is a difference between the water bottle and this one, right? And the eyedropper. So which one is larger? Of course, the 1 liter is larger than the 1 milliliter. Choose an appropriate unit and estimate. Unit of capacity. So each 1000 milliliter equals 1 liter. That means that I need 1000 drops of this, from this 1000 drop to fill 1 liter, to fill one water bottle of 1 liter, okay? So a milliliter is too small, so use liters. The pail appears to be large enough to hold several liters. So if I want to fill this pail, it is impossible to use this eyedropper, right? It's impossible to use it and fill it with drops. It's gonna take ages filling it. But if I took this bottle and tried to fill it, to fill the pail, it's not gonna take a long time, right? So let's guess how many bottles do I need. So they said that the pail holds about 8 liters. When I say about, does that mean that I found the exact answer? No, right? It is about, almost. I'm finding around how many? Around 8 liters, not exactly. Maybe more, maybe less. Now, suppose the capacity of the pail above is given in milliliters. Is the number greater than or less than the number of liters? Wow. So if I have the number given in the milliliter, is it going to be a big number or a small one? Yes, it's going to be a big number, big one, right? The number of milliliters would be greater than the number of liters, since each liter equals how many? 1000 liters. Remember here we said that each 1000 liters equals 1 liter. So if I want to find the answer of 8 liters equals how many milliliters, I will multiply by 1000, right? So 8 times 1000 equals 8,000 milliliters. So of course in the milliliters it's going to be greater, the number is going to be greater than the number in the liters. Okay, look at these questions. Susie made a large pot of soup for her family. So the pot Susie used has a capacity of 5 liters. Why could the capacity of the same pot be 5,000 milliliter? Okay, so think about this. I just talked about this right now in the previous slide, that each 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliter. So 5 liters will equal 5,000 milliliter. I'm gonna multiply the liters by 1,000. So the answer will be 5,000. Question number 2, this will be your activity. Find a container that you predict will hold more than a liter and another that you predict will hold less than a liter. Use liter and milliliter containers to check your predictions by finding the actual capacity of each container. Now, this question is an activity. Try to make a video or anything or just photos. Show me objects that can contain more than 1 liter, objects that can contain less than 1 liter, and send it to me. In questions number 3, 4, I have here a glass. So let's find the best estimate. This glass holds 250 milliliter or 2 liters. 2 liters, it's so much, right? The glass will be so big. So yes, the estimation will be 250 milliliters. Okay, now look at this pail. Okay, do you think that it holds 5 milliliter? 5 milliliter is too small. Or 1 liter? Yes, of course, 1 liter. Now, bottle of juice, 10 milliliter. 10 milliliter, look, I'm gonna show you the 10 milliliter. Here is it. Look, here is it. It's very small. So do you think that a bottle of juice will be in the same size of this? Of course no. So yes, it's 1 liter. And cereal bowl, can we have a cereal bowl of 3 liters? That means 3 times of this bottle full of cereal? Of course no. So 300 milliliter. Now, dear students, I want to show you things. You can find it around your house. Take pictures of it and send it to me. I have this sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Okay. Now look here where I can find the capacity of this bottle. I'm gonna look for around. Here is it. Look what you can read. It is 500 milliliter. So the capacity of this bottle is 500 milliliter. Now I show you this medicine. So this holds 10 milliliter. For example, this here, this lotion, look at the capacity, 400 milliliter. We have also here, you can see it here. Okay, yes, we have here a perfume. Look at the capacity of the perfume, 100 milliliter. So find around things, liquid things, and show me the capacity of each bottle of this liquid things. So have a nice day. Goodbye.